Okay, so here I just gone through and introduced you guys to Moodle. I want to introduce you to my language lab. So in order to get started with my language labs, you can watch this video. This video explains to you
Okay, I'm going to show you
how to get set up in my language labs. And then this is the course code that you'll need to set yourselves up. So watch this. Then once you've gotten yourself set up, okay, so once you've gotten yourself set up, go out to my language labs and log in, and this is what you should see. Actually, I'm going to go to the student view. And so over here, I already showed you that this is the priority line. If when you're in my language labs, this is the EText, and it might look a little different than what you're used to because we're trying to use the HTML or the ADA compliant version. But you can download the app for the ebook to your tablets, and I have put these take you to links for instructions on how to do that. Now you can't put it on your phone, but if you have a tablet, you can, and that way if you prefer to look at your eText like an ebook, then you can do that. What other features are there? There's a link to tutorials. We saw the eText. There's also a glossary, so you can look up any words that are in your text. There's a verb chart feature, so you can pick a verb and then you can conjugate it into any tense, present, indicative. I think we'll do future, so you can see the future tense. There's the preterite, any tense you want, and then you can get your participles, like your present participle, which would be abarcando o tengo. There it goes, abarcando, or maybe your past, abarcado, okay? And then, so the way that it'll work is that you will come down to whatever week we're in, like this is our first week, and it tells you to do these assignments in my language labs. So then you would go out to my language labs, click on the 12th when they're due, and you would complete those assignments whenever they pop up. Okay, and just make sure you're checking Moodle because this was a vocabulary one. So here's all the vocabulary assignments, but I've also put tutorials. The tutorials, if you notice, were not assigned, so you don't have to do them. You can choose to do them. So you want to check Moodle to know whether it's something that's assigned or it's something extra. I will frequently post extra things like flashcards or tutorials or extra practice, and those are things that you may not have to do, but you can choose to do if you so want to. And when you do an assignment, it should pop up in the middle. You just click on it, it opens up in the middle, and you can just plug in the words in the blank, and then you hit finish and submit for grading, and it should come to me. And it will also give you the option to do it more than one time. And if you do it, if you get like a 40 and then you take it again and you get 100, I'm never going to see that 40 unless I go looking for it. So the 100 is what I would transfer over. So hopefully, additionally, forgot. I have some additional help with my language labs. If when you're doing a speaking assignment, probably for any assignment, you're going to want to make sure you turn off your pop-up blockers, do your browser tune-up. These videos explain how to do that. And if you're doing a speaking assignment, you've got to do both of those things. And if your microphone's not working, I have a couple videos that tell you on your computer how to fix your microphone to make it work. And that might not be something that's needed by all of you. It may just be needed by some of you. Okay, so hopefully that explains my language labs. Just make sure you're going to both sites because I put test out here, but I will have quizzes and other important assignments out here as well.